Hi there, it's George here, and today I will grow lovage from seed. It is a very beneficial herb that helps me a lot, and I decided to grow in the pot in winter time and in spring, and I cannot wait to arrive summer, harvest lovage from my garden, and how to grow in the pot. I ordered seeds. I bought seeds from the local market, and they are fresh, I think, so we hope. But I'm sure the seeds are fresh, they are smelling so strong, and I have to try to grow this. And this is a medicinal plant, helps to refresh, you know, when you have to drink water, you can eat these leaves and you will refresh, and that's it. It's very aromatic, and you can put it in the food, in the salad, and because that I want to grow this in the pots during the winter time. Of course it will not grow like in the garden, but here is written in Romanian and Russian, but he says that put seeds in warm water, then dry the seeds easy, and you know but I will use my method. I will do a greenhouse effect, and I will plant the seeds above the substrate like I do usual with seeds, and I will try this in this method too. So I will show you the potting soil and the pot, and let's open this package with these seeds, and then we will plant them. Let's do that. And here is the pot which I am using, and I already added potting soil, which is universal potting soil, pH is 5.5 to 6.5. I added a little bit of soil from the garden, I mixed it, and perlite and sand, and a little bit of coconut substrate. And it's very drainable, it's very good for plants, indoor plants, and will grow very well, I think. So let's water first, then we will sow the seeds above. The water should be at the room temperature, and I'm gonna use rainwater. It seems it's enough. And now it's time to open this package and sow the seeds above. I think this seeds it's enough, and you can see close up how this seeds looking. And now it's time to sow the seeds here in this pot. Well, I finished, and now remained one thing. We have to create a greenhouse effect, and I'm gonna use this. Well, now we have to put this pot under a warm place, and then after it will germinate, we have to put light, best light, and I will make another video when we'll germinate these seeds, and stay tuned on my channel. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. And if you want, can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. And see you next time. George was here. Bye bye.